Welcome, low ego action heroes. This is Debbie Levitt from deltacx.com, and I was recently in an unattractive battle on LinkedIn with a Scrum Agile guy who was trying to tell me that, sure, UX has some difficult work that really requires specialists, but UX also has plenty of day-to-day work that non-UX people could do. Anybody could do it. Engineers could do UX work. And when I asked him, like what is this amazingly easy day-to-day work that we have that anybody can do? He said, paper prototyping as an example. So again, to bring back the phases of proficiency model, but the upside down iceberg version, this is obviously someone who saw a paper prototype and said, oh, that looks easy to do. Developers should be able to do that, but without considering the science and technique and the strategy that went into that interaction design. Because paper prototyping is so much more than getting out a pen and getting out paper and making shapes. Now, we know that, but not everybody knows that. So it's going to be important, where possible, to gently socialize, and you can share this video, that it's not that some UX work is fantastically easy and day-to-day and anybody can pick it up, but other work is difficult and needs specialists. Pretty much everything we do requires a specialist. I really can't think of anything from my day-to-day work or other people's day-to-day work that is so simple that anybody can do it. The product manager, the QA tester, the marketing intern. We don't have that. But of course, thanks to the iceberg model, people see what we've done. They don't see the magic that went into it. You know, it's like looking at the something in your home, wow, look at that light on that wall. I could screw a light into a wall. I'll just go do that. Well, okay, but if you're not an electrician, you can really mess that up and you can mess yourself up. So let's please remember that while some of our work looks easy on the surface of the iceberg, it's really not. It's all of the knowledge and technique and science and skill and proficiency and the application of these, the correct application of these, and the strategic application of these that make our work look easy when it's not. But don't be fooled, all you non-UX people. I hope that helps explain a little bit of our world, and feel free to ask the CX and UX people in your life more information if you are curious about where there's easy work and where there isn't, because I don't think we have any easy work, but that's just me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe here and press the like button to let YouTube know you dug it. You can also join our Slack workspace, which is free, and of course, optional tip jar. Thanks, and see you in the next video.